Abu Ja'far al-Mansur. Abu Ja'far Abdullah ibn Muhammad al-Mansur was the second caliph of the Abbasid. Al-Mansur is regarded as the real founder of the Abbasid Caliphate. He is also known for founding the round city of Baghdad, which he named Madinatus Salam, the city of peace. He was the son of a Berber slave girl called Salama and a brother of the first Abbasid Caliph Abul Abbas as-Saffah. He was involved in the murder of several individuals that helped lead the Abbasid movement that brought them power, most likely as a strategy to eliminate potential rivals. Al-Mansur had a formidable rival in his uncle Abdullah bin Ali, who with the help of the famous general Abu Muslim Khurasani, he defeated in 754. Abu Muslim was a loyal freedman from the eastern Iranian province of Khurasan, who had led the Abbasid forces to victory over the Umayyad during the Third Fitan. He was subordinate to Al-Mansur, but also the undisputed ruler of Iran and Transoxiana. Fearing Abu Muslim's power and growing popularity among the people, Al-Mansur assassinated Abu Muslim Khurasani. The assassination of Abu Muslim caused revolts throughout the provinces of Khurasan, but Al-Mansur suppressed all of them. The Shi'i Hashemiya had been allies of the Abbasids in their bid for power. When it became clear that the Abbasid had no intention of handing the power to an ally, these groups moved in opposition. Al-Mansur's harsh treatment towards the elites led to a revolt in 763, but they were eventually defeated. Caliph Al-Mansur ended the practices of giving Arabs special privileges. During the reign, he issued gold dinar and silver dirham. The city of Baghdad was founded in 762. It was finished in 766, built in part of materials taken from the nearby old Persian capital of Ctesiphon. Caliph Al-Mansur is said to have brought in over 100,000 architects, craftsmen, and laborers to build the city of Baghdad on the bank of river Tigris, about 20 miles from Ctesiphon, the Sassanid and Parthian capital, and 60 miles from the ruins of Babylon. It became the famous round city with the royal family, the court and administration in the center.